Hi there, welcome back to meetrabbits.org. I've got some good nesting behavior going on here with Peony, who I expect to kindle tomorrow. And I just thought it was worth taking a look. Kind of fun to watch anyway. She's been running around here the whole time I've been feeding with hay in her mouth, picking up a little bit more. I think she might actually be waiting for me to get out of here so she can continue on with her nest. It's a lot of fun to watch. You know, I had just had my hand in there and she was fine with that. She was happy to say hello and get a little pet. But, you know, this is a great sign to indicate that she is bred and should be ready to kindle. This will be her second litter. The first litter is the litter of 4 champagnes that we've been following along with color changes and weight. Hi, Peony. Let's see, yeah. Sorry, Mama. Oh, sorry for my camera work there. Don't want to disturb her too much. Just thought it was fun to get a look at. And if you have never seen this behavior before, when I put my nest boxes in, and there is a video on this too, I put about 3 inches of shavings, kiln dried shavings in the bottom for warmth and absorption. And then I give them a solid pack of hay. This started with hay in it, but she pulled it out. She's going to reorganize and redecorate. That's fine. Cause you know, last time, even as a first-time mother, she built a great nest, obviously displaying some great nesting habit here. I just gave her another pile of hay to work with. I like to keep giving them hay basically until their nest is done and they don't look like they're taking it anymore. And that tells me that, you know, they're happy, they're satisfied. So yesterday we did have a little bit of an issue with Rose here. I mean, she's fine and apparently healthy, but it was Christmas. My son came out and fed for me. I had been up late the night before finishing up Christmas things. And, you know, he came out and fed while I was still in bed, eager to get under the tree to the presents, you know. But, so it was a weird situation. Now, she was bred the same time as Peony, and I would not expect her to be kindling until tomorrow as well. And he came out, she had one kit here, she had a little bit of placenta left over in the cage. I believe the kit was born on the wire, actually on some hay, because there was hay here that she was given for nesting material. Wasn't really a lot of nesting activity going on from her, no fur pulled. That one kit was alive and he put it in the box and he covered it up. And then I got up, I don't know, probably an hour or two later, and he mentioned it, and I came out and checked, and that kit was gone. So we have to assume that she ate it, which is not an activity that I typically see a lot of with my does, but it's kind of the only reasonable explanation, because, you know, it was daylight and morning and there was no signs of like rodents or anything like that. That would be her first litter, so we're not really sure what's going on with that. And again, I didn't really expect her to kindle till tomorrow. Now, I did have to expose her to the buck several days in a row before I ever saw fall-offs. And I didn't see fall-offs the first several days I put her in. So I'm not entirely sure if maybe she had got bred sooner than I thought, or there's 2 pregnancies going on or what. So I'm leaving the nest box in there. So far, she hasn't been using it as a litter box. You know, we're just going to have to see how it goes. What does this mean for her as a breeder? Right now, it doesn't mean anything because it was her first litter, first breeding. Well, it was second attempt at breeding, but the first one that took. So I give all my does, if you're a quality doe that I want, you get 3 strikes before you're out. So she's far from that. It does actually have a little bit of impact on the doe that we were watching from Peony's first litter. One of the champagnes that are over here. Oh, there's Liv. Say hi, Liv. Hi. And what that means is that where I wasn't considering keeping her back as a breeder, or was only starting to think about it, I probably will hold her back just in case I end up needing another champagne replacement. And the genetics are different enough, they're unrelated enough that I'll be able to work with her too. So doesn't mean that she'll end up staying here as a breeder, but it means she's going to for a while until we sort things out. So that's that this morning. Just an update. Thought it was fun again, just to kind of watch and see what good nesting behavior looks like in the early stages. It looks like a lot of mouthfuls of hay being picked up and moved around and packed. And later, very close to kindling, it looks like a big puff of fur being pulled, but that's not usually until just before or even just after they kindle. So that's not a sign that she's not on her way. This is a good sign that she is on her way. So thanks for watching. Hope you all had good holidays and a Happy New Year.